Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you an easy demonstration that you can build at home that shows you the effect of atmospheric pressure on water pressure. Check this out. All you need for this lab is a balloon, a straw, a pair of scissors, and an empty plastic water bottle. The essential question in this lab is what makes the water come out? Okay, so the first step in building your balloon water pump is to take your scissors and to bore a small hole at the top edge of your water bottle. Once you've bored out your hole to the same diameter as your straw, slowly put your straw through the hole so it goes all the way down to the bottom of your cup. Another idea is to take a little bit of glue or sticky tack to put around the edge of the straw and the hole that you bored to make it airtight. Now you're ready to fill your bottle with water. Twist your balloon like this several times so that you can put it over the mouth of the bottle without you losing air. And then when you have it over the mouth of the bottle, slowly let the air out. And you can see as the air increases the pressure on the water is forced out of the straw. This really demonstrates the effect of air pressure on water pressure. As you increase atmospheric pressure at sea level, you increase the water pressure. Isn't that amazing? Now, as you play with your water pump, consider how the balloon illustrates high pressure, and underneath the balloon there's low pressure at sea level. But when I release the balloon, that high pressure exerts force at sea level, and that increases the water pressure, forcing it out of the straw. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.